a way to water your plants when you are in the bind. Maybe you're going off for a little quick weekend, vacation, and you want to make sure that there are plants that actually need to be watered slowly in that process. So you can take a piece of yarn, you cut that yarn, you're going to take one end. So I have 2 plants here at this moment.
What do we call that rope, people? That's a little big for a yarn, right?
It's a big one. But you take this rope, put basically, in this case,
you're making like an irrigation system.
Exactly.
Right?
And you put the other side into the soil. You would dig deep in there, place that in there.
That's
the other
that's
in
smart
here.
biodynamic engineering.
Slowly, over time, while you're away, the water will seep through the rope and then into the soil to water.
That is brilliant. How long would a small bowl of water, like you could be away for a week or 2 days?
I would say it all depends on actually how much water you place in there. But
Gotcha.
You could probably be away for a week in a situation like this. This is a slow burn.
It's a slow burn on the water, or a slow cool.
Slow cool. Take it to the next one.
You see how I'm carrying my book with me so it doesn't magically disappear.
So in this situation, a lot of people will reach out to me about bugs, gnats.
Yeah.
Those gnats in there, and you're trying to drink your coffee and maybe want lands in your coffee. You want to avoid that, especially if you have a lot of plants. So most of us know that cedar is a known bug repellent, right? So in situations in your home, if you have kids, this is a really cool hack, is to take a pencil and a pencil sharpener. You have one there.
I have tons of pencils and pencil sharpeners. I actually collect pencil sharpeners. I'm not kidding.
Oh, well, great. So in this situation, you would then sharpen your pencil, and then you're going to take these shavings, and you would take them and spread them on the top of the soil. So bugs like gnats...
You're making like a mulch out of the pencil shavings.
Exactly. And bugs like gnats really like to be on the top of the soil, especially when your soil is a little bit damp. So place some shavings on top, or if you have a bigger plant, you might want to get some like cedar chips or sawdust.
Nice.
So, I'm Hilton Carter, and welcome to my home here in Baltimore, Maryland. And today I want to talk about a few hacks on how you can bring plants into your space, but also how to protect your home from intruders. So the first hack, using magnetic hooks. Magnetic hooks hold up to 25 pounds, some hold 50 pounds, some hold 100 pounds. I happen to have some metal beams in my home, and I didn't want to drill extra holes in spots that I didn't need to. Using tension rods is an easy way to hang plants in windows, in skylights. Lastly, we want to talk about security. Having a security system, a natural security system. And for us in our home, we like to grab cacti, place them in the windowsill, because if you have an intruder, as soon as they open up that window, they're gonna have a nice surprise.